Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time here at Stevenson School in Lombard, Illinois, home of the Lions. And I'm in their school lobby right now. The assemblies we had were today in the gymnasium not too far away. And we did all grades, K through 2 separate presentations. But the main focus was all about bullying and, more importantly, looking at someone's heart first, right? Just like you treat them like you treat your own best friend. And I'm standing in front of this sign because obviously home of the Lions and the Lion Pride. They talk about being respectful here at Stevenson, being responsible, and being a problem solver. You know, resolving conflict peacefully, non-violently, and really just choosing their words, you know, thinking about those, thinking about their actions, and really trying to make people belong, have a safe space that we create, right, where everyone feels loved. And so that was kind of in line with today's focus, that we really tried to reinforce the need to show that compassion to everybody else, that our heart is big as our fist. If we can let that love, peace, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign, right? And that each finger, you know, one is for ourselves, the other is for someone that we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves by how we choose to treat them, hopefully with love. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, right, like just one word, one heartbeat, one action, one breath, you know, we can uplift somebody high as the clouds, stays on their heart in a great way for the rest of their life. Or conversely, we can say something so mean that it stays on their heart in a negative way for the rest of their life. And to know, even at a young age, that we have this power, right, to really make a difference. It only takes a few seconds. That's a huge thing to understand and grasp, and lesson to really retain and get at that young age, to know that they can make a difference in this world and have that, you know, impact that can last forever on someone's heart. You know, bullying is something over and over and over again. And students that say, "Hey, Mr. Peace, I'm getting bullied. When did it start? 10 minutes ago." It's probably not bullying, but again, those one-time actions, those one-time words can still leave the same effect and still have the same lasting impact. So again, through a series of stories, inspirational videos, positive music, that's what we tried to reinforce today. To know that no matter what we've gone through or will go through, that we can turn hurt people who hurt people into healed people who heal people, right? That, like Dr. King has always said, right, darkness can't drive out darkness, only light can. Hate can't drive out hate, only love can. And the students really understood that today. A lot of them that came up to me said, "Mr. Peace, you touched my heart." I said, "That's great. That means you have a big heart. Now it's up to you to go share that gift with others by how you choose to treat them, hopefully with kindness, hopefully with love, and that you also understand your worth and your value and see that in others too." We all talked about the M in all of our palms. We all have at least one each on each hand, and with the lines of our hand, sometimes a faint line connects it. I traced one of mine here, but that M, like my shirt, stands for miracle, right? Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, right? We have to buy into this. We have to be that change, right? That Gandhi talks about and that we talked about today, that it's our responsibility, it's our duty, and really it's our honor to go and try to make this world a more peaceful and welcoming place. So thank you again, everyone, for touching my heart. Have a great rest of the school year. Hope to see you again in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also visit my playlist down here for some additional motivation. And you can also click the peace sign symbol on your screen tablet, wherever you're watching this, to visit my website, track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.